Question number 22. X plus 4 the whole square plus y minus 19 the whole square is equal to 121. The graph of the given equation is a circle. So they've already mentioned that the graph is a circle in the xy plane. The point a comma b lies on the circle. So which of the following is a possible value for a? So in general, the equation of the form x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. This is what we call as the equation of a circle, and in this one h comma k, that is the center of the circle, and they are constants for that particular circle, and r is also a constant. So the center is represented by h comma k, radius is represented by r, and you can see that in the equation this right hand side is r squared. So that means radius, if r squared is equal to 121, so this means that r squared is equal to 11 squared, because 121 is nothing but 11 squared, which also means that r is 11. So this is the radius of our circle. So what the question is asking, they want the possible value for a, and a, as you can see, it is the x coordinate of the point which is there on the circle. Since the center of the circle has an x coordinate of -4 and the radius of the circle is 11, the least possible x coordinate for any point on the circle will be, if I subtract 11, -4 minus 11 will give me -15. This is the least possible value for the x coordinate, because I am going -11 points away from the x axis. And what is the greatest possible x coordinate? -4 plus 11. That means that will simplify to 7. So I have to choose any point which lies only in between -15 and 7, and also -15 and 7 also it can be, but this is the maximum and minimum values possible. Of the given choices, the only number which is within this range is -14. -16 comes outside this particular range, 11 is greater than 7, 19 is also greater than 7, and -16, as you can see, that is also outside the range. So the correct answer would be B, -14. So if you observe, I have graphed this in the Desmos calculator. The x plus 4 the whole square plus y minus 19 the whole square is equal to 121. And as soon as we put that, we get the shape of the circle. And center we can see -4 comma 19. The minimum which the x has reached is -15, and the maximum +7 on the positive x axis the x value has reached, and -15, that is the minimum value which the x coordinate of this circle has reached, because the radius is 11. So from the center it is able to go 11 units to the right and 11 units to the left. So that is the range. So that is why we selected -14 as the answer. So this is the visual representation. This is just for your information. You can solve it without the diagram of. So I hope it's clear, and we can move on to the next question.